Welcome back to the Bird Chef. Today we're going to be making a vegan-friendly pumpkin soup, good for warming the soul. Alright, we're going to first start off by heating up the pot. We're going to add in 1.5 tablespoons of avocado oil. Alright, so now that's heated up. We have about a half cup of minced up onion. Then we have 2 tablespoons of garlic minced. And we're going to fry that up until the onions start to caramelize. This adds extra flavor into the meal. Alright, now that those onions are caramelized, we're ready to add our next step. We have 1 teaspoon salt, half teaspoon of umami, and a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. We're going to blend that in with those onions. Get it all blended in there. Then we're going to add our pumpkin. Get that stirred around a little. Next, we're going to add 4 cups of vegetable broth. And finally, we got 1 bay leaf. Now we're going to bring that to a boil. Then we're going to reduce the temperature to simmer. And then we're ready to put it in the blender to finish it off. Alright, now that that's boiling, we're going to reduce the temperature down a little bit. And we're going to let it simmer for about 15 minutes to soften up the pumpkin, and then we're going to remove the bay leaf and put it in the blender. Alright, now that that's been going for 15 minutes, we can see that the pumpkin is getting tender by prodding at it. You can see that it breaks up easily. Alright, now we're ready to fish out that bay leaf right there. Set that aside, and we're ready to go on the blender. Alright, now we're going to put this in the blender. We have a blender that's designed to take hot soup and cook it while it's blending. If you do not have one of these, you can blend it in the pot using a stick blender and continue simmering it in the pot. Alright, now that we got all that in the blender, we're going to put the lid on there and get it nice and secure. We're going to put it onto our blender base. We're going to set it to soup. And then we're going to hit start. Alright, now that that's approaching the end, we want to thicken it up a little bit. We got 1/4 cup of water mixed with 1 tablespoon cornstarch. We're going to open a little access valve at the top, and we're going to slowly add that in there. And as that blends, it's going to help to thicken up the soup. Alright, now that that's done cooking, we're going to turn it off. And then we're going to pour in the bowl. And we're going to stir in 1/4 cup of oat milk. Gives it a nice rich creamy taste and texture. And there you have it, a nice tasty pumpkin stew, vegan friendly. If you like this video, please like and subscribe and stay tuned for our next video.